What temperature should you bake chicken at?
Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to discuss one of the most frequently asked questions in the culinary world. What temperature should you bake chicken at? Baking chicken at the right temperature can result in a moist, tender, and flavorful dish.
What's the ideal temperature for baking chicken?
Whether you're baking a whole chicken, chicken breasts, or thighs, the recommended temperature is 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. This temperature is a good middle ground for cooking chicken thoroughly while keeping it juicy.
How long should I bake the chicken?
The cooking time depends on the type and size of the chicken pieces. As a general rule, chicken breasts take about 20 to 30 minutes, while whole chickens and larger parts like thighs and legs may take around 45 minutes to an hour. But don't rely on the timer alone. Always make sure your chicken is properly cooked by checking its internal temperature.
How to ensure the chicken is cooked properly?
The only accurate way to ensure your chicken is cooked perfectly is by using a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, in the thickest part of the chicken. This is crucial to make sure that your chicken is safe to eat.
What are some tips for baking chicken?
1. Marinate your chicken. This can make your chicken more flavorful and tender. 2. Don't overcook. Overcooked chicken can become tough and lose its juiciness. 3. Let it rest. After you take the chicken out of the oven, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This helps the juices to settle back into the meat. That's all, folks. With these guidelines, you'll be able to bake your chicken at the perfect temperature, ensuring a delicious and safe meal for you and your loved ones. Remember, it's all about that balance between flavor and safety. Happy cooking!